Good morning. Today is Sunday, 18th April. We are going to discuss a topic, the element of sense of success in human potential area, which is very much relevant to us. I have tried to put before you a fact that man should have long term success plans and accordingly decide his lifestyle. It may be noted that each and every minute is very much important for a long term success goal. We may be executive, maybe a doctor, maybe an advocate, maybe a businessman or a professional, maybe a teacher or even a priest belonging to some religion, and so on. We are in search of success in every minute, in every activity, through profession like that. But this success never comes unless we live with reputation in the society, we live without a sense of fear, we live without legal complications, we live without defamation or criminal actions, and we are capable of leaving behind us some good members for the welfare of the society. The members who are leaving behind us, who are left behind us, should be considered useful to the society so that we can call ourselves we are successful in our life. This definition is very much important because it is applicable to all, even though we are rich, even though we are poor, even though we are a teacher, we are a doctor, we are a businessman, we are a student, or we are even a priest, as I told you. In all cases, the definition of success will be meaningful or will be real one only if you could gain a reputation in the society, you are in a position to live without fear, without legal complications of mistrust, and without defamation or criminal actions. Lastly, I say that you should be capable of leaving behind you some good members for the welfare of the society. I will explain this one afterwards. Suppose I am coming to the very important topic, very important point of this success. There are so many theories that is telling how to become successful in life. You can see so many books and so many things. But what is relevant is that to become successful, the first game should be how not to become a victim of failures. The moment we are not failure, we become successful. This is very important one for we younger generation. See, what is happening? We are in the age, you may be in the age of 20, 25, but you have to live for 70, 75 years. During this 50 years period, you should plan not to become a victim of failures. The moment you are capable of doing this one, you are defending yourself from failures, you automatically become successful. This is very important what I am telling. The society has become complicated. The world has become more complicated. The political system is more complicated. During this particular time of your age, you should be able to decide how not to become victim of failures. If you are capable of doing this one, you are going to be successful in life. There are lot of theories, lot of books that is how to attain success. Everything is there. But we should know first thing what is called failure and how not to that failure is not going to influence our life. These things you should know when you are young itself. In all sense, we can define success as under, as I told you, that if one can live with reputation, without sense of fear, without legal complication, without defamation of criminal actions, and is able to produce some good members for the society, for the welfare of the society, or find successful always. The above definition I have been telling is applicable for poor, for rich, men, women, husband, wife, father, housewives, and so many, all. We have to live with reputation, without fear in life, without legal complications, I am telling you, without defamation of criminal actions, and are in a position to produce some members behind us who are useful to society. This is a very fine definition. What I am thinking is called success. Now, I will be discussing all these points one by one. What is called? I have told you that without reputation there is no success. If you have more fear in your heart about something, it is not success. If you become rich by creating lot of legal complications in your life for your coming people, for members, or your parents or something, then you are not successful. And if we are defamed too much based on certain criminal actions, that is also not successful. These are all the things very much important for a young man should know. So what are the factors which can be considered as failures, so that we are not becoming victim of failures? This is what exactly success. As I told you, as a young man, you have to plan for another 20, 30 years, 40 years to live. And during this period, if you become victim of failure, that follows you for a long time. When you reach as age of 70, 75, these failures are going to affect your peaceful life, comfortable life, healthy life. So that I am telling you that let us not make ourselves victim of failures. This should be learned at the very, very initial stage of our life. That is why I request the younger generation to be very conscious on certain points that we will discuss tomorrow again. Thank you. Be at home. Take rest. Be comfortable. Be steady. Be positive. And be dreaming something for goodness of you and for your family, your people. Okay. Thank you.